Back in the years of early 1920 on Lake Fanning, a camp was started called Camp Wampameo. The meaning of the word Wampameo is said by some to be birds of sunshine and laughter. Others called it the land of the laughing birds. This was also known to many kids that got their first taste of country life as the YMCA camp each summer. As we entered the location, you could hear the many birds in the trees just a chirping.
We're here in Yarmouth County in Carlton at Camp
Wapomea.
Wapomea. And we're coming here in peace. And I've already had something when we came in the road that they're welcoming us here. I could hear them saying chant. And we are going to be giving the 4 elements of the gifts to the natives, because this was native land and there's a native burial here. So we will give our gift to them. If we give tobacco, if we give bread, if we give tea. We come in respect. Stage. That we have no harm. We are here as friends. Peace. Thank you for letting us enter your space.
You can hear as we walk on, the birds become silent and no longer in our view, as if letting us in. As we walked, we always had a feeling of being watched. Behind what was known as the main building, from what we could tell, was some activity from male spirit, but he would not communicate with us, just show little glimpses of himself through the trees. Right? Something just made me go boom right there.
Yeah. Yeah, there it is again. We welcome those things. They can touch you and I.
It was sad walking along seeing all the old buildings that had housed so many happy children and helped make so many lifetime joyful memories. Thinking how it must have sounded to the birds of sunshine and laughter, the meaning of Camp Wampameo, in its busiest seasons. As we were leaving, this one building was pulling at us to pay attention. Inside was an uncovered well. As you can see, many orbs was around it. In these last few pictures, you can see the mystery of this place. And after we left and was walking back to the car, you could hear the birds start back up with their laughter.